everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is based on a bad habit of mine. Is basically in the mornings my partner tends to make me a cup of tea, and quite often I actually don't drink it. I just start running around the house or doing other things, and then I forget to drink it because I don't like drinking super hot tea. So I wait for it to cool down, and then by that stage quite often I don't feel like drinking it straight away. So I tend to put it in the fridge, and then I have cold iced tea later on in the day, or I like to mix it into smoothies or chia pudding. So today I'm going to mix my leftover peppermint tea into this chocolate chia pudding mix. So I've got a small tri-best blender that I'm using, and I've got about 200 ml of peppermint tea, and I'll just pour that into the cup here. For my sweetener, I like to use dates. They're just a natural sweetener. They're delicious and almost taste like caramel. So if you don't have that, you could add a touch of maple syrup perhaps, or your favorite sweetener, but I love using dates in this. Next, I'm adding about a tablespoon of cocoa powder or cacao powder, whichever one you have on hand. One is raw, one is more processed. So whichever chocolate base you like or have on hand, use that. And then I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So chia seeds are great for your omega-3s, and they're going to help you absorb all sorts of minerals and nutrients. So they are great to have as well. And then all I'm doing is blending this up. Okay, so this has been blending for about 2 minutes. In that time, I just did a quick tidy up of all my things that were lying around. And now I have a delicious chocolate pudding ready to go for my breakfast. And if you let this sit for 5 or 10 minutes, it'll continue to thicken up and get really, really thick and luscious. But this is great for me. I like it like this, and I need to have some right now. Yum, that's so good. Using that peppermint tea as the base, it's absolutely amazing. You get your nutrition and you get that peppermint boost. Oh, it's so delicious. Please give this recipe a try, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more recipes so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming recipes that I'm working on right now. And join me over in my Facebook group. I would love to see you there. We share loads of recipes and ideas and tips and tricks for living a healthy plant-based lifestyle. I'd love to see you there. I'll leave a link for that down below, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Ooh, breakfast.